In the world of predators, there is one master of the air that makes our best fighter jets look like toys: the Dragonfly. For 300 million years, it has perfected the art of the instant kill. While a human pilot takes seconds to react, a Dragonfly processes visual data and strikes in a fraction of a millisecond. Its secret: a brain that doesn't work like a computer, but like a high-speed prediction engine. Today, our drones and planes rely on massive servers and billions of lines of code. But there's a problem. Traditional AI is too slow and too heavy for complex environments. In a dense forest or a collapsing building, a standard drone chokes on the data. To move forward, engineers realized they had to go back to the biology of the insect. Enter neuromorphic engineering. Scientists are now mapping the Dragonfly's 16 neurons responsible for target tracking and burning them into silicon. These bio chips don't use steady power. They only fire when they see movement, just like a real brain. This is the birth of the spiking neural network. It's lighter, 100 times faster, and uses almost zero energy. Tomorrow, fleets of insect-brained aircraft will perform search and rescue where no human can go. But it also opens a chilling door to autonomous swarms that can hunt with terrifying precision. We are merging the soul of the insect with the body of the machine. The question is no longer if we can do it, but what happens when the machines start thinking for themselves? Tell us, does this tech inspire you, or does it keep you up at night?